Hi everyone, Tridib here from TGT and welcome to another video. Let's talk about the new macOS updates. Apple has finally released macOS Monterey 12.2 to the public. This is the second major update for the macOS Monterey after the initial public release and fixes some major security flaws. Also, macOS Big Sur 11.6.3 is out along with new security update for macOS Catalina users. Apart from that, Apple also released iOS 15.3, iPadOS 15.3, watchOS 8.4, Apple tvOS 15.3, and HomePodOS 15.3. To check for this update, go to System Preferences, then Software Update, and you should see your update available here. As you can see, this update came in around 1.94 gigabytes on this mid-2017 MacBook Air 13-inch, and depending on the version you are on, the size should vary. The description says macOS 12.2 includes bug fixes and security updates for your Mac and is recommended for all users. Before the update, let's check the build number. As you can see, the version is 12.1 and the build number is 21C52. The available free storage in this Mac is 59.29 gigabytes out of 128 gigabytes. Now before I update, here is a quick request to subscribe to TGT. This is a dedicated channel for the Apple users and I post important Apple related videos here regularly. So do subscribe to get the latest updates from Apple. Let's proceed with the update now. Well, the update is now complete. Let's go to about this Mac. Here you can see it's 12.2 and the new build number is 21D49. The previous RC build was 21D48. So Apple has changed the build number for the public release. After the update, the available free storage space is around 63.3 gigabytes. So a bit of storage gain. Talking about the changes, this update contains 0 new features, 1 resolved issue, 13 security fixes and 4 enterprise fixes. The first major fix is the security vulnerability fix in Safari 15.3. This update comes preloaded with Safari 15.3. There was a WebKit flaw in Safari 15.2 where any website can learn a visitor's recent and current browsing history while using indexed DB, that is the database. It was affecting the Safari on iPhones and iPads as well. We were discussing about this security issue during our iOS 15.3 beta videos. This should be fixed now. Safari 15.3 is also available as a separate update for Big Sur and Catalina users. I'll make a separate video for Safari 15.3 release as I always do. macOS Monterey 12.2 also rebuilds the Apple Music app as a full native application. Previously, it was just a web content reload. This might be fixing the higher CPU usage issue for Apple Music, which was causing huge battery drainage. Apple haven't mentioned anything about that issue anymore in the notes, so it might be fixed now. This update might also have some fixes for memory leaks in Windows Server. Some of those were fixed in macOS 12.1 previously, but users were still reporting memory leaks after that as well, so macOS 12.2 should fix some more. The Windows Sprint Spooler remote code execution vulnerability is fixed in macOS Monterey 12.2 and the macOS Big Sur 11.6.3. So the Macs can now print to a Windows Print server again. But the much anticipated universal control feature is still nowhere to be seen. It seems that it has been delayed until spring 2022. This update also contains a number of security updates as mentioned in the release note by Apple. Here you can see it fixes some AMD kernel issue, color sync, crash reporter, iCloud file access issue, Intel graphics driver and more. I'll link this document in the description box in case you want to read in details. Also, macOS Big Sur 11.6.3 is out with some major security updates such as audio, iCloud, I/O mobile frame buffer and more. Then we have security updates for Catalina users as well. Lot of fixes mentioned here as you can see. So do update your device if you are running macOS Big Sur or Catalina. Performance and stability wise, this is running absolutely fine in this late 2017 MacBook Air 13-inch so far. The battery life of macOS 12.1 wasn't that great lately At least for me, with macOS Monterey, I get around 6 to 7 hours of battery life in this MacBook Air, but it varies depending on the task I'm doing. After all these years, the remaining battery capacity of this Mac is 80%. Now for the benchmark scores, let's run the Geekbench 5 here. And the scores for the macOS Monterey 12.2 are 656 for single core and 1495 for the multi-core. Big jump in multi-core score from macOS Monterey 12.1, so that's a good news according to performance. So if you are running macOS Monterey 12.1 already, I think you should update to this version. This version is stable and will make your Mac more secure. If you are still on macOS Big Sur, there is a new version for you as well, so do update to that. But you should not expect any new feature for macOS Big Sur further. And of course, do not forget to back up your Mac before the update. That's it for this video, guys. Do share your experience about this update as well, or if you have found anything new, do like, share, and please don't forget to subscribe to TGT. I'll see you in my next one. Peace.